The endurance you gotta have to, for those long days, it's, almost like marathon-esque is my best take on it. It's really, you just have to grit your teeth and slog through it. It's gonna suck, but you gotta embrace the suck. That's the easiest way to say it. It's always good, I think, to get in the mindset of, I need to do something else to take my mind off sales. Some people meditate, some people go for runs. That's the way that I can break away from, the daily grind. When we're talking about establishing a good working relationship with your AE as an SDR, I can't think of anything that's more imperative, particularly for new SDRs. Because your AE becomes, he's your teammate, he's your mentor, he's who you go to for advice. He has your back, you have his back. And so if you don't have the best relationship with your AE in the beginning, you're probably in for a bad ride. My favorite tool in my tech stack? That's got to be VanillaSoft, of course. I guess I'm coming from a kind of special situation because I have never used any other real sales tools or prospect. So my perspective on it is entirely fresh, and from what I've seen so far, I love it. Any other tips that I could have for an SDR? I would say, don't be discouraged at first if you don't find success, because when you first start off cold calling, it can be very much full of rejection. So we know that we gotta always continue to grind because it's more of a numbers game than an actual performance game. And it's just always honing your craft. What can I do to get better? And just because you had a bad day, sales is a roller coaster. We have to, hit the peaks and then, ride out the valleys. Always understand that a no is just one call closer to a yes.